สามเณรพีรพัฒน์สุทธิประภาครับเทพบัณฑิตวิทยาลัยครับ
My absolute homage to the Lion and fully awakened one. My high respect to most venerable and venerable sirs. Good morning, all honorable lifeless friends in the Dhamma, ladies and gentlemen. Please surround me to introduce myself. My name is Samanen Pirapat Sutiprapa. I am now running at the secondary class in the Tebendit Vidyalaya School, a monastic high school of Rai province. It's my great honor and pleasure to be the representative of my school in the speech contest on the topic, the 48th anniversary of the monastic high school, where both morality and life gives me fertile society. As all of you are well aware, in the past, the temples were the educational center of the community. Teachers were not anyone else but the monks themselves. Students were children born to the family in the community, where the temple is located. Later on, the schooling system was introduced into Thailand, and all schools are run by the government. However, the temple still remains the center of the Buddhist studies. All Peri and Dharma from monks and novices until nowadays. It's fact that to learn just a single few of the monastic subjects, right Peri and Dharma, but not learning the worldly subjects, is not well prepared for living a life in the world. To know just a single few of knowledge, just like a person with one eye, it's better for a person to have two eyes. Another comparison says, one who knows both fields of knowledge, that is Buddhist and spiritual studies, is like two wings of a bird, without any sign of which a bird cannot fly. The same can be seen in the case of man. Thus, in order to write in the graph, the monastic high school was established in the year 1971 by the Sangha order and the then government. The objectives of the monastic high school are first, to give the monks and novices the opportunity to develop knowledge. Second, for students to learn about the Buddhist scriptures. Third, to develop with knowledge along with morality. Modern knowledge requires and practice both morality and aesthetics to them side by side. And first, to create a religious year in Buddhism, and to produce high quality personnel for the Sangha order, so that Buddhism in Thailand will ever last as long as possible. It can be said that the monastic high school has performed vastly fast, the Buddha saying that, Vichā Jarana Sampanno. So, a person who is full of both knowledge and morality is superior to both human and celestial beings. Hereby, I would like to quote what's most venerable, Luang Pu Pratamathitiyan says repeatedly, please love your school as your own home, love your job as your own life, love your students as your own children, and love your colleagues as your own relative. To conclude, the monastic high school is established to produce high-quality human. This is safe for both the nation and religion, for the sake of prosperity and security of our country and Buddhism. Eventually, on the auspicious occasion of the 48th anniversary of the monastic high school, I, on behalf of all students, both monks and novices, would like to thank all those who have established and supported the school so far. Bright glasses of the Triple Gem, may all of you be blessed with long age, good complexion, happiness, and blessed there for the rest of your life. Thank you for your kind attention.